The instructor, she's really sweet, she's really nice, she's hands-on, so she answers all your questions, and she goes around and she helps everybody one-on-one.
Take it, and you're very gently, you're not going to touch the edge.
Super fun, and it's actually really easy, and you get to just be creative.
I think it was great. The instructor was awesome. We got all the directions clearly, and they stepped us through each step, every step of the way.
So it was really fun. At first I was nervous, but then after coming in and just getting to know everyone, I just had a really good time.
Besides the snacks? No. My favorite part was actually learning how the epoxy works and how it needs to be a certain temperature in order to actually function.
Learning how to mix all the colors and having to wait and mix everything is kind of fun.
Knock it off. Knock it off and come and take a class with us. It's really fun.
It's definitely more intimidating than it really is. It's super fun, it's easy, and it's hands-on, and you get to just be creative. So definitely give it a try.